Gompa Buddhist Temple, Itanagar. This is the most major tourist spot of Itanagar as well as Arunachal Pradesh. The USP of the temple is its striking yellow roof, because of which this structure can be identified from afar. The roof is contrasted by the green carpet that surrounds the shrine, the most important feature for the tourist as well as the followers of the sculpture of Lord Buddha. Jawaharlal Nehru State Museum, Itanagar. A walk through the museum restored faith in handicraft, established by the government in 1980s. The museum is systematically divided into sections which each display an extensive gamut of handicraft, reminiscent of traditional Arunachal Pradesh, and quite a few archaeological findings. There is a handicraft workshop in the museum premises where one can view the ongoing production of handi-goods. An art gallery and library are a part of museum as well. Itanagar Geological Park, Arunachal Pradesh. A famous attraction of Itanagar and a must-visit on family tour. Itanagar is a well-managed zoo, which is home to species like Himalayan black bear, Royal Bengal tiger, panther, leopard, great Indian hornbill, and many rare birds. The park is quite famous among the travelers and dwellers of Itanagar as a prominent attraction. Ganga Lake, Itanagar, also known as the Gankar Sini. This is a major attraction for locals and tourists alike. The chief spot in the city, the beautiful water body, accompanied with the peaceful and serene atmosphere and the lush green mountain in the vicinity, make this a preferred local. The pristine clear water, the shadow of the towering Himalayas highlight the beauty of the lake as well. Itaport, Itanagar. One of the old and renowned marvel of ancient religion located in Papumpare district. The Itaport is an important tourist spot. Itaport literally means the port of bricks, as Ita means brick in a Ohom language. Itanagar was named after its port, which was built around 14th century AD. The marvelous stone work and construction lead to building of such a magnificent structure, which guarded the kingdom years and years ago. Indira Gandhi Park, Itanagar, a local recreational garden. It is quite a hit with tourists as well as locals. A nice family place with a lot of scenic area and green